I don't want no trouble with you, buddy. You are one big rooster. Wow. You're big. You're a Rex Goliath right there, buddy. Back, 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 back. What do you want? What do you want? You're huge. Man, look at the size of those talons. He will mess you up. He will definitely mess you up. He ain't playing. Look at that beak. He's a fighting cock right there, boy. I'm backing away. Oh, I'm scared. You ain't got to worry about me. You ain't got to worry about me, buddy. You're definitely the king rooster. No doubt. No doubt. I don't know if that's a cabrera. A caber. But man, he is making some serious bad noises. He is not playing. He is not playing around.